Tanggap na umano ni dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte ang kanyang kapalaran. Ito ang ipinahayag ni Elizabeth Zimmerman, ang dating asawa ng dating Pangulo, matapos niyang bumisita sa detention facility ng ICC. Ayon kay Zimmerman, napag-usapan nila ang kagustuhan nitong i-cremate siya at nagpasalamat din sila sa patuloy na suporta.
And I asked him, what would be your message to the people outside? He said, if it is his destiny to be here, then so be it. He has no apologies, no regrets, and that's it. He's accepting it already, and that's why we talk about the cremation.
Dagdag pa ni Zimmerman, bukas pa rin ang alok niya na tumuloy sa kanyang bahay si FPRRD kapag nakalaya at kung gugustuhin ito.
Yes, I told already my children about that beforehand. Sabi ko, beforehand I have been saying to them that if that is also his choice. It's not my choice. Oh, kung gusto niya doon sa bahay ko, okay lang.
Oh, that's really nice.
Yeah, no strings attached.